Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the TacoCat cryptocurrency using Just Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB from Binance, transfer it over on the Smart Chain network over to your Smart Chain wallet on your Trust wallet, and then converting that over to the TacoCat token. So it's pretty easy to do, takes about 10 minutes. I'll also just like to let you guys know, I do have daily cryptocurrency videos coming out on my channel. So if you guys are looking for the new cryptocurrencies, how to buy them, how to sell them, and things like that, I'll just stay tuned to this channel as I'll have daily videos coming out for that. Anyhow, for this token, just stay tuned and I'll show you guys exactly how to buy it. The first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort, and then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB, or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now, I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network, and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust wallet. Once you guys have your BNB into your Smart Chain wallet on your Trust wallet, all you guys have to do is now add the TacoCat token to your Trust wallet. And all you guys have to do for that is go to the first link I have in the description. It'll just be over to the CoinMarketCap website where we're going to copy the contract address from there and then paste it into our Trust wallet here so we can add the token. So all you guys have to do is head over to the link I have right there. Once you guys are on the CoinMarketCap website, all you guys have to do is scroll down to where it says contracts, and you want to copy that contract address from there. Once you guys have that done, you could exit back over to Trust Wallet and open that back up. You just want to navigate to the top of your screen where you see the 2 lines and the 2 circles. Just go ahead and click on that. Once you guys click on that, you just want to click on where it says search here and just paste that contract address that we got from CoinMarketCap. You would then see the TacoCat image pop up there. So we can just go ahead and click on enable and then click on done. Once you guys have done that, you just want to go to the browser icon on the bottom of your screen. For whatever reason, if you guys don't see that browser icon there, you're going to have to go to the next link I have in the description. It'll bring you guys over to the Trust Wallet website where you have to enable your DApp browser. Very, very simple and easy to do. I'll show you guys really quickly what you have to do. You just have to go over to this website, scroll down, and then you will see this little link here under step 1 that says Trust Browser Enable. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then it'll pop up this pop-up here asking you to open it in Trust Wallet. You just want to click on open, and then it'll open up your Trust Wallet, and you will then have that browser icon in the bottom. Once you guys have that done, you can go over back to your Trust Wallet, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So now all we want to do is go over to the browser, click on browser, and then go over to Pancakeswap. Once we're on Pancakeswap, if this is your first time here, you're going to have to go to the top where you guys see Connect. If you click on Connect there and click on Trust Wallet, you will then see your wallet ID up in the top. It's very, very easy to do. It does it for you, which is awesome as well. Once you guys have that done there, you will see where it says exchange, and then you just want to make sure that you see your balance in there. If you guys don't see your BNB balance in here, just make sure you guys have transferred it to the Smart Chain wallet, not your BNB wallet. If you guys accidentally sent it to your BNB wallet, just go over to your BNB wallet, click on the dots, then click on swap to Smart Chain. It will then send your BNB over to the Smart Chain, and then it will show in your Pancakeswap. And as you guys see here at the top, this is new. It's just increased gas fees. The Binance Smart Chain is experiencing issues with transactions failing. If you're having any trouble, try increasing your transaction fees and your gas prices. So just be aware of that as well. That does seem to happen when things are getting busy like they are now. So just be aware of that before you purchase, as you might have these issues when you're selling as well. Anyhow, once you guys have your BNB here, you just have to click on select a currency. Then you want to paste that address in here as well. Once you guys paste the address in here, you just want to click on add and then click on TacoCat. And now you just have to decide how much BNB that you guys want to transfer over into TacoCat. So let's just say if I wanted to do 0.2 BNB, I can go ahead and type that in. It will then show me how much I'll get in exchange for that. Now, one thing I do recommend as well is changing your slippage tolerance to 12%. I find that 12% does work the best for me. You guys can try different ones if you would like to, but I found consistently wise, the 12% does work the most for me. To change your slippage tolerance, though, you just want to go beside where it says exchange and click on the 3 lines. Once you guys click on the 3 lines, you could just change your slippage tolerance right here just by clicking on this little option right here and changing it to whatever you would like. Like I said, I recommend 12, but once you guys have done that, you can exit out of here. And then if you're happy with your conversion rate and things like that, you just want to click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It should just tell you here to confirm to swap. And then once you guys go to the next page, it will then show you a more broken down version of your transaction, basically showing you your fees and your withdrawal rate and things like that. If you guys are happy with what you guys see there, you can go ahead and click on confirm. And then it'll tell you that your transaction has been successfully put through. So once that is done, just give it a couple minutes and exit out of here and go over to your wallet, and then your TacoCat will then be here. But like that pop-up said on Pancakeswap, there is some issues going on with Pancakeswap because of how busy it is. So just be aware of that. That can affect things. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If this video did help you guys out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.